Finally, Google dropped the Pixel 8, and today in this video I am going to short review Google Pixel 8. So first talk about the phone design and the build quality. Design wise, the phone look like similar to Pixel 7. The Pixel 8 built with Gorilla Glass Big Touch front and back with aluminum frame. In the display department, the phone comes with 6.2-inch 120Hz OLED display with HDR10 Plus. And the good thing is the phone comes with 2000 nits peak brightness. And the phone also offering always on display, H2 speaker, IP68 rating, and also the in-display fingerprint scanner. And the phone powered by Google Tensor G3 processor with 8GB of RAM with UFS 3.1. Let's move on the camera section. The phone comes with dual camera setup, 50MP main sensor, 12MP ultra wide, and the front is come with 10.5MP selfie camera with autofocus. In the video section, you can record highest 4K 60fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 60, 120fps, 240fps slow-mo video with EIS and also OIS. And the Pixel 8 launched in India 65,000 rupee and US market launched in $700. So that's all about the Google Pixel 8 review. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe the channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.